Welcome back! Today we are sewing the final pouch in the series, and it's something special. This design features a delicate tulle panel and a clever reverse lining that creates a beautiful layered illusion. It's still beginner friendly, but with a fun twist to challenge your skills just a little more. I hope you made all of the pouches so far, the classic one, the cute one with the panel, and the elegant version with the lace. Today we will be working on a very special project. If you're looking for a beautiful handmade gift for a friend, this one is perfect. Take a closer look at all of the thoughtful details and craftsmanship. You can even create a whole set for someone truly special. Every girl or woman would love to have this cutie in her collection. Let's start by printing the pattern and choosing the size you want to make first. On each piece, you'll find clear instructions for how many of each to cut. Please follow them carefully. Lightly iron the tulle. Be very careful, I used one on my iron. Then attach the interfacing to the main pouch pieces. Please follow the pattern instructions and cut all required pieces. Please take a closer look here. We will arrange the lining pieces in this order and sew them together as shown. Please stop stitch each piece carefully. Stitch those parts with the zigzag stitch. Fold them over, press with an iron and clip in place. This is where we will add the tulle. Lay the lining and measure exactly where you want your stitches to be. Sew it with a straight stitch. Cut the top in half and iron it like this. Mark the zip and add the tabs. We've done this step in previous tutorials. Please check my YouTube channel if you need a refresher. Now sandwich the layers like that and sew them with a straight stitch. Please top stitch here. Take a closer look at the details. Please repeat on the other side. Sew the bottom of the main piece completely and the bottom of the lining leaving an opening. Please match this point carefully. Pinch the corners, clip them and sew with a straight stitch. Now please turn the pouch right side out. You can use a chopstick. Close the opening with a straight stitch. Please iron the pouch well, but still be careful with the tulle. Look how beautiful it turned out. here it is, our unique pouch. Beautiful, delicate and full of clever details. Remember, sewing is a skill, not a talent. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Thank you so much for sewing with me today. If you enjoyed this project, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Keep going and keep creating beautiful things. Don't forget to tag me at @ibiso if you share it. See you in the next project.